Hello, good afternoon. My name is Sevon. I'm on sailing vessel Agavni, and we put together a wooden block car race today. So today we got a bunch of sailors out here, crazy sailors and parents, boat schooling, and we've decided to put together a program that can be fun with some science. The idea of this came during our lockdown level 4. We wanted to do something with the kids that the adults and kids could do something fun and make a little wooden car race. So we based it on the Pinewood Derby back in the good old US of A. And here we are, racing and ramping today. So we waited for low tide. We've got a bunch of kid boat, and we're teaching the kids about some physics and science and Newton's Law and all kinds of cool stuff. So we're excited to get it going. Thanks for joining us.
So my name is Price Powell, and I'm on the vessel Panache, and I'm the designer of these little cars. And essentially they're made with a 2x4 that you chop into pieces, drill a hole for the axle, use some bolts, and cut a broomstick up for the wheels. The cars are assembled, each kid gets to put their own together, and each one gets to do their own modification. So there's lots of creativity and fun for all. The idea is about inclusivity, not just competition. But there are prizes, really great prizes that you'll see later, for best overall, best boy, best girl, design prizes, craziest crashes, all sorts of categories. So it's lots of fun and we're really looking forward to it.
All right, everybody, welcome, welcome.
So round 1 starts with the 12-year-olds, Vaughn, Adelaide, Lynn, and Sammy, and you're in the first heat.
Get set, go!
So everybody's going to get a prize. Okay.
Show your car. There we go.
Yes. Second place. Good job, Red.
Turn around and show your car.
Fast car. Number 3 was Adelaide.
Hey!
Vaughn's the next prize winner. Best look for the stock girl is Nune. Kobe.
All right, Kobe.
Pretty fast car too. You ripped off.
To you, happy birthday to you.
Are all the prizes gone?
The cars.
Yeah. The prizes are gone. Okay.
All right. Applause to our judges and parents and
a big thank you to Jeff for making all those cool prizes.
All right.